Hi friends, and welcome to Billings, Montana. We are at the very first KOA campground ever built, the Billings KOA Holiday. Let's walk around and see why it's a must-stay for any camping or RV family. Located just off I-90 in Billings, everything is convenient, whether you're passing through or staying a while. It's in the Yellowstone River Valley, so you've got wide open skies, Montana vistas, and yet easy access to town if you need supplies or want to explore. The park has pull-through sites up to 80 feet long, so large rigs are welcome. However, given the age of the park, some sites may be a little narrow for today's standards, so just check the site size before booking. Maybe you're not in an RV, or you've got a mixed group. No worries, there are cabins and tiny homes available on site for renting. Don't let the age of this park fool you. There is no shortage of amenities and they are all nicely updated. Kids can play at the playground or the family can go for a round of mini golf. Maybe a nice swim sounds better or a game of basketball on the outdoor court. Lastly, it wouldn't be a KOA without a place for the dogs to run around and stretch their legs a bit. Be sure to stop in the store for some Montana-made gifts before you leave. There's something extra special about staying here, camping where it all started. That one little idea back in 1962 has grown into hundreds of KOA campgrounds. Would we recommend staying here? Absolutely, especially if you appreciate the history, like to travel comfortably, and want a base to explore Big Sky country. It's a standout stop on any RV road trip. Thanks for coming along with us to Billings KOA Holiday, the place where KOA began. If you enjoyed this tour, hit the like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you've stayed here or want to, and what you loved or would like to see. We've got more campground reviews, travel adventures, and RV trips coming up on our channel, so stay tuned. Until next time.